Guys, it's the middle of August and heat index today is over 100 degrees in the Twin Cities, Minnesota. I picked a crazy day to do this. But this time of year, the middle of summer, anytime you leave your vehicle outside for more than a few minutes, the inside just turns into a freaking sauna, does it not? Luckily, there's an easy and affordable way to protect the inside of your vehicle from the summer heat and also keep it more comfortable for you, and that is with sunshades for your windshield. I'm happy to have in my hands today some of the highest quality sunshades for your windshield from Pigenius. They've been doing this for over 30 years. They prioritize innovation, continuous improvement, and listening to their customers and making sure all their customers are satisfied. They have great reviews online, and they're affordable. You can pick one of these up for your vehicle, custom fit to your windshield without breaking the bank, help protect both the interior of your vehicle and the items you have inside during the summer, and keep things cool and comfortable when you get back in your car after leaving it for a few hours. I have two different styles of their product to talk about today, and I haven't unboxed them yet. So you guys are gonna get my raw reactions, opinions, reviews of the product, do a little test, and then just talk more about the company. One of these is for my Toyota Tundra here behind me, which you guys have likely seen on the channel. The other one of these is for my wife's 2025 Honda Odyssey, which I have not shared on the channel yet, but will soon. I'm gonna start by talking about this one here, which is for the Tundra. And then after that, we will move over to the one for my wife's minivan, and then I will compare the two and talk more about the products. One of the first things I noticed when taking these products out of the box that just is a mark to the quality of product that Pigenius is producing is this nice carrying case that these shades come in. It has their logo, their company name right on it. It's got a drawstring on top. You know, it's not just a cheap disposable bag. It's a legitimate case that you can keep and store your shade in when not in use. And you can see it's not very big. You could fit this under the seat in the back of the Tundra. You could put it in the back pocket behind the seat or wherever it may be, just on the floor in the back. But it's nice how compact it folds up. Let's get this thing open and check out the product itself. Yeah, so you can see that classic metallic material that these classic sunshades are going to have. This one is more so of a soft feeling. It's got these elastic bands that are holding it together. We take those off, you can see again, it's got a nice logo there. Card fell out that came with it. That's nice, a thank you card. Review our latest deals and policies. They got a couple deals on there. You can scan here for info on the products and the brand. That's a cool touch. And here we have the product itself. You can see how large it actually does get. It doesn't even fit in the full frame. I'll show you on the windshield, but one side is going to have that metallic reflection that's going to keep the sun out, and the other side is black. So if I fold that up for a second, one other thing that came in the package there as I was unboxing is a page for installation instructions. In case you need to reference something, there it is. Let's get inside the truck and get this installed. So obviously the one thing to keep in mind when installing this is install it with the reflective side out. If the black side is facing out, obviously that would just absorb the heat. So we're gonna push this all the way up to the front. And there you have it. Give you guys a view of this thing installed here. It covers basically the entire windshield. You can see obviously the cutout where this is here. There's just a little bit of light coming in, but that's already a little bit of textured glass the way it is, so that's not where the main heat is coming in. But even with that just there right now, sitting out here in the sun, I can already feel a difference that there's no direct heat of the sun getting into the vehicle. But the fitment is super impressive. It fits great, and you can definitely tell the quality of the product here and that it's definitely going to do its job, work, keep the interior of your car much cooler than without a shade at a very affordable price. Now when you want to take it down, as easy as that. Folds right back up. You can slip it right around these elastic bands for easy storage. There you have it. Put it back in its case. Keep it on the back seat and the floor. And this is definitely staying in my truck. I'm going to continue to use this to keep my truck cool, keep the things inside cool, keep myself cool when I get back in the vehicle after sitting it outside for a while. But so far, it's a great product. Next, I have the second style of product for my wife's minivan, 2025 Honda Odyssey. We're gonna head over there. I'm gonna unbox this one, put it in that vehicle, talk about it, and then compare and contrast the two. The second style of sunshade comes in a similar case with the Pigenius logo right there, drawstring on top to tighten it. This one has a more firm skeletal structure. The other one I mentioned was more soft. This one is more firm panels, if you can kind of feel that. We're gonna have the same installation instructions. There is the Pigenius logo right there. Again, just love the packaging, love how small this folds up. It's a bigger windshield in here, so it's a little bit longer than my Tundra one was, as you saw, but check that thing out. There's that metallic side, and the other side is more of a gray felt, and this one, again, is more hard panels, but feels very quality. Definitely is going to do the job. Let's get this one on the windshield. Again, making sure the reflective side is out so it reflects the sun and doesn't absorb it. And this one goes up there, and then you just use the sun visors to secure it in place. Boom. Wow. Fits really nicely. There you can see how nicely this one fits. There's that gray felt on the interior. The sun visors are securing it in place. Here's what it looks like on the outside with the reflective panels. Looks really clean. Not to mention what the one in my Tundra looks like on the outside. And now this one is, again, soft, and it kind of locks itself in without having the sunshades. I'm sure I can put those down for further security so it doesn't fall over. But with this one, you definitely need those sunshades down, securing it in place. Otherwise, it would just fall down like that. But it works really nicely with the sunshades. There's the gapper on the rear view mirror, but overall has really nice coverage. It would definitely keep the inside, this with black leather as well, nice and cool versus taking on the full heat of the sun. I'm gonna bring both of these products inside to the air conditioning and give a little compare and contrast of the two models hand to hand so you guys can see that. So I've got both models here, and I just want to talk about them. This was the first one we looked at for the Tundra. Here you can see kind of a size to scale. There is the reflective side, and there is the darker side for the inside of the vehicle. Again, got the Pigenius logo there. This one is softer to try to give you like a feel for what it is. I don't want to like bend it a ton, but it's like more soft to the touch. Whereas this one is definitely more like panely than this one is the best way to describe it, I'd say. On this soft panel one here, and I'm not sure if it's just with the specific model for my vehicle or all of this style versus this style, but obviously you do have these nice elastic loops that go around and, you know, keep it together before you put it in the case, or you wouldn't even need to use the carrying case for that sense, whereas this one does not. It just folds up. Now it does fold up super flat and nice, if you can see that. About the same on both of those, but here's this one fully expanded. Again, this is going to be a much harder material. There is the metallic side. On the other side here is more of a soft to the touch gray felt. Overall, I think both of these are great products. I almost like this hardcover one a little bit better, which is for my wife's vehicle. It's only right that she'll get the nicer one, right? But this is going to do wonders for the Tundra as well. Like I said, when I put these in, guys, like it's weird. You can, on a hot day like today, you can immediately feel the relief from the sun. It's almost not just beating in the vehicle like that. It's just a little calming and just feels darker and cooler almost instantly, which is pretty wild. So these things are definitely going to work. You know, there was no sun penetrating through these covers whatsoever. They're both going to do great. If you want one that has these, you know, storage loops on it like so, and you like that little soft, maybe a little more malleable material, it also, you can just visually see this one looks almost more like textured or crinkly, whereas this one is just pure, you know, pure panels. There's no texture to it. It's just reflective shininess. So I think they're both going to do their trick. I'm going to put both of these up on the screen so you can see the price differences as well, but both are affordable options. Both seem like really good products. Like I said, I've already felt them work on day one of using them. Definitely going to keep these in the vehicle. My wife is excited to have hers in the van as well. And overall, just shout out to Pigenius for producing a great product, being in the industry for so long, being successful in the industry, and partnering with me to give me a sample of these products, letting me share them with you guys, and also providing a awesome discount, which is on the screen here and also will be linked in the description. So if you guys want to get your hands on one of these, I'm sure you can find it for whatever make and model your vehicle or your wife or partner, friends, family members vehicle may have, whoever you want to get this for. and it's a way to support the channel as well if you use the link on the screen or below in the description. So appreciate you guys watching. Hope this was informative for you. Shout out to Pigenius for providing these products and making a quality product that I'm going to continue to use. I'll keep you guys posted too on longevity of these. Make a video maybe down the road a little bit, but overall, I'm impressed with the product. It's a great item that you can get at an affordable price to protect the inside of your vehicle, the things inside, and just be a creature comfort as well. You know, nobody likes getting into a sauna of a vehicle, so might as well keep it as cool as you can in these hot summer months. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.